Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English World.
Hi there. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Sarah, and this is Mike. We are your English practice friends.
Today is episode 189, and today's topic is one that every English learner cares deeply about.
Today, we are talking about how to improve your pronunciation fast.
Pronunciation. How you say words, how they sound, how clearly you are understood.
Many learners worry about their pronunciation. They feel self-conscious. They're afraid people will not understand them.
Self-conscious means uncomfortably aware of how you appear or sound to others, nervous about being judged.
But here's the truth. You do not need perfect pronunciation to communicate effectively. You need clear pronunciation.
Clear means easy to understand. The sounds are distinct enough that people know what word you are saying.
Today, we will give you fast and effective techniques to improve your pronunciation, starting right now.
We will go slowly, easy, and clear. Let's begin. First, let's understand what affects pronunciation.
3 main things affect how you pronounce English. First, the sounds. Every language has its own set of sounds, and some English sounds may not exist in your native language.
Second, stress. Which syllables are emphasized in a word? Which words are emphasized in a sentence?
Third, rhythm and intonation, the music of English, how it rises and falls, how fast or slow it moves.
Today, we will work on all 3.
Pronunciation technique number 1, focus on problem sounds.
Every learner has specific sounds that are difficult, depending on their native language.
The most commonly difficult English sounds for many learners are the TH sound, the V and W sounds, the short I sound, the R sound, and the schwa sound.
Let's practice each one.
First, the TH sound. This sound does not exist in most languages. To make it, put your tongue between your teeth and blow air through. Try these words. Think. Say it. Think. Think.
Thank. Say it. Thank. Thank.
The. Say it. The. The.
There. Say it. There. There.
Those. Say it. Those. Those.
Tongue between teeth. Blow air through. Practice this every day. Now the V and W sounds. These are often confused by many learners.
V sound. Your top teeth touch your bottom lip. Blow air through. V.
W sound. Your lips make a rounded shape like you are about to say ooh, then say wah.
Let's practice both. Very. Say it. Very. Very.
Water. Say it. Water. Water.
Village. Say it. Village. Village.
Window. Say it. Window. Window.
Vine. Say it. Vine. Vine.
Wine. Say it. Wine. Wine.
Vine. Wine. Vine. Wine. Very different sounds. Practice hearing and feeling the difference.
Now the R sound. The English R is unique. Your tongue does not touch the roof of your mouth. It curls back slightly in the middle of your mouth.
Try these words. Right. Say it. Right. Right.
Wrong. Say it. Wrong. Wrong.
Really. Say it. Really. Really.
Practice the R by saying then attach it to words. Right. Really.
Technique 1. Identify your problem sounds. Practice them specifically, every single day.
Pronunciation technique number 2. Learn syllable stress.
Every English word has a stressed syllable, the syllable that is said louder, longer, and with more emphasis.
Getting the stress wrong can make words hard to understand, even if all the sounds are correct.
Let's practice some common words and their stress patterns.
The word photo. The stress is on the first syllable, fo-to, not photo.
Photo. Say it. Photo.
The word today. The stress is on the second syllable, today, not today.
Today. Say it. Today.
The word important. The stress is on the second syllable, important, important.
Important. Say it. Important.
The word beautiful. The stress is on the first syllable, beautiful.
Beautiful. Say it. Beautiful.
The word tomorrow. The stress is on the second syllable, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Say it. Tomorrow.
The word comfortable. Many people stress this wrong. Comfortable. 3 syllables, not 4.
Comfortable. Say it. Comfortable.
How to learn stress patterns? Listen carefully to native speakers. Copy exactly where they put the emphasis, not just what they say, but how they say it.
Technique 2. Master syllable stress. Stressed syllables are louder, longer, more emphasized. Pronunciation technique number 3. Sentence stress and rhythm.
In English, not every word in a sentence is stressed equally. Content words are stressed, function words are reduced.
Content words are nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, the words that carry meaning.
Function words are articles, prepositions, pronouns, and auxiliary verbs, the words that connect.
For example, I want to go to the park today. Want and park are stressed. The other words reduce.
Let's practice the rhythm. Repeat after us. I want to go to the park.
I want to go to the park.
She loves her new job.
She loves her new job.
We need to talk about this.
We need to talk about this.
Can you feel the rhythm? English has a musical beat. Stressed, unstressed. Stressed, unstressed. Like a drum.
When you master the rhythm, you sound incredibly natural, even if individual sounds are not perfect.
Technique 3. Stress content words. Reduce function words. Find the English rhythm. Pronunciation technique number 4. The shadowing method.
We have talked about shadowing before, but it is so powerful for pronunciation that we must include it here.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately after them, copying their exact sounds, their exact rhythm, their exact intonation.
Intonation means the rise and fall of your voice, the musical pattern of speech.
Here is how to shadow. First, find a short audio or video clip, 10 to 30 seconds, of a clear English speaker.
Second, listen to the whole clip once, just to understand it. Do not try to copy yet.
Third, listen again. This time, repeat everything they say immediately after them as closely as possible. Copy the speed, the rhythm, the pauses, the emotion, everything.
Fourth, record yourself. Compare your recording to the original. Where do you sound different?
Fifth, practice the same clip every day for 1 week. By the end of the week, you will sound dramatically different. Dramatic difference means a very big, noticeable improvement.
Shadowing is used by the most successful language learners in the world. It is fast, it is effective, and it is free.
Technique 4. Shadow native speakers. Listen, copy, record, compare, repeat.
Pronunciation technique number 5, the minimal pairs practice.
Minimal pairs are 2 words that sound almost the same, but one small sound is different.
For example, ship and sheep, bit and beat, full and fool. These sound very similar but mean completely different things.
Practicing minimal pairs trains your ear to hear the small differences and trains your mouth to make the small differences.
Let's practice some minimal pairs.
Ship, sheep. Say them. Ship, sheep, ship, sheep.
Bit, beat. Say them. Bit, beat. Bit, beat.
Live, leave. Say them. Live, leave. Live, leave.
Pull, pool. Say them. Pull, pool. Pull, pool.
10, tan. Say them. 10, tan. 10, tan.
Can you hear the difference? Can you feel the difference in your mouth?
The more you practice minimal pairs, the more precise your ear becomes, and the more precise your mouth becomes.
Technique 5. Practice minimal pairs. Train your ear and mouth to hear and make small sound differences.
Pronunciation technique number 6. Read out loud every day.
Reading out loud is one of the simplest and most underrated pronunciation techniques.
When you read silently, your pronunciation muscles are not working. When you read out loud, they practice with every single word.
The key is to read slowly, clearly, and with good pronunciation.
Do not rush. Take your time. Pronounce every word properly.
Try reading out loud for just 5 minutes every day. Books, news articles, these podcast scripts, anything.
You can also use the look away technique. Read a sentence silently, look away from the text, then say the sentence from memory.
This trains your brain and mouth to produce the language, not just read it mechanically.
Technique 6. Read out loud every day. 5 minutes minimum. Slow and clear.
Now let's have a real conversation about pronunciation improvement. Listen carefully.
Hey, can I ask you something? Your English pronunciation has improved so much recently. What have you been doing?
Oh, thank you. I have actually been working on it quite deliberately. 3 main things.
Oh, I want to know. Tell me.
First, I identified my problem sounds. For me, the TH sound was really difficult. I practiced it every morning in the mirror. Tongue between teeth, blow air.
I have always struggled with that too. Did the mirror help?
So much. When you can see your tongue and lips, you can fix the position more accurately. Accurately means correctly and precisely.
Smart. What was the second thing?
Second, I started shadowing. I listened to short clips of native speakers and copy everything, not just the words, the rhythm, the pauses, the way the voice goes up and down.
And that made a difference?
A massive difference. After just 2 weeks, my wife said, "You sound different, more natural," and that meant everything.
That is incredible. And the third thing?
Third, I read out loud every evening, just 5 minutes from a book or article, but I go very slowly. I pronounce every single word carefully, no rushing.
That sounds really manageable. I could definitely do 5 minutes a day.
Anyone can, and the results are real. You do not need hours, you need consistency.
What was the hardest part of improving your pronunciation?
Honestly, slowing down. I always wanted to speak fast, but fast and unclear is worse than slow and clear. When I slowed down, everything improved.
That is such a valuable lesson. Slow and clear wins.
Every time. And remember, you do not need perfect pronunciation. You need clear pronunciation. People do not need you to sound like a news anchor. They just need to understand you.
That is so reassuring. Thank you.
And keep recording yourself. It is uncomfortable at first, but hearing yourself is how you identify what to fix and how you hear your own progress.
I'm going to start tonight. I'll find a clip and try the shadowing technique.
Yes, start with something you enjoy, a show you love, a podcast, something you actually want to listen to.
Great advice. Did you hear all the pronunciation techniques in that conversation? Problem sounds, mirror practice, tongue position, shadowing, reading out loud, slowing down, recording yourself, clear over perfect.
All used naturally in a real conversation about real pronunciation improvement.
Quick review. All 6 pronunciation techniques from today.
Technique 1. Focus on problem sounds. TH, V, and W, R. Practice these specifically every day.
Technique 2. Syllable stress. Photo, today, important, beautiful. Stressed syllables are louder and longer.
Technique 3. Sentence stress and rhythm. Content words are stressed. Function words are reduced. Find the English beat.
Technique 4, the shadowing method. Listen, copy immediately, record yourself, compare, practice daily.
Technique 5, minimal pairs. Ship and sheep, bit and beat, pull and pool. Train your ear and mouth.
Technique 6, read out loud every day. 5 minutes, slow and clear, every single day.
6 techniques, all fast, all effective, all immediately actionable starting today.
Remember, clear pronunciation over perfect pronunciation, consistent practice over perfect practice, progress over perfection.
That's the end of episode 189.
Your homework, pick one technique from today and practice it for 10 minutes right now. If you chose shadowing, find a 30-second clip and shadow it 5 times in a row.
10 minutes, one technique, right now. Do not wait until tomorrow.
Subscribe to Talk English World. Hit the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up.
Leave a comment and tell us which sound is hardest for you to pronounce in English. TH, R, V, and W? Tell us and we can help.
Share this video with someone who wants to improve their English pronunciation quickly and effectively.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you in episode 190. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Practice every day and your pronunciation will transform. Take care.